digital workplace. Digital workplace solutions literally bring the physical office into the digital realm, and they are a prerequisite for enabling a hybrid work environment. Digital floor plans, online desk scheduling, and occupancy sensors are all key components of a successful hybrid strategy. Workplace technology solutions smooth out the wrinkles that pop up when traditionally in-person activities move online and off-site. Forward-looking solutions are mobile, cloud-based, and IoT-enabled, creating a connected, integrated experience for all employees. When a digital workplace platform is implemented, organizations gain access to a wealth of workplace data sets. Business leaders across the organization have visibility to objective data. Applied analytics reveal actionable insights specific to the unique needs of their organization. This might mean leveraging real-time sensor data to better understand portfolio performance, to improve planning for leases and moves, to manage maintenance requests, and to enable hybrid employees the ability to book a desk or a room prior to commuting in. In short, digital workplace solutions enable an agile and highly efficient workplace. And when thoughtfully implemented, a digital workplace platform can unlock the potential of both your portfolio and your organizational productivity.